Hello, my dear teachers. Today we will learn how to use Google Classroom. There are various benefits of using Google Classroom. First of all, it is a free online service that lets teachers and students easily share files with each other. Secondly, it will be a better way of communicating between teachers and students. One more thing is we can keep all our topics in an organized manner. We all are sending YouTube links, Google Drive links, even classwork, homework, everything can be organized in one place, that is Google Classroom. First of all, we'll start with Google Chrome. Click on it. Then use the respective Gmail ID you are using. Then click on Google search here. Here you can directly write classroom.google. You can see this is our Google Classroom. So click on it. Now, as this is a new classroom, Google Classroom, as a teacher, you have to create a class. First of all, click on this plus icon. Now, there you will have two options. One is join class, other one is create class. As you are the creator of this class, so you have to click on create class. But when a student joins this class, he or she has to click on join class. So let us first create a class. Now click on this option, then continue. So now our class is created. Now we have to assign some name to this class. Suppose class 7 mathematics. Then you can assign section. As we have A, B, C, D, we can assign section. Subject also you can choose if you have any topics, or no need to mention any specific information here, or else you can just write mathematics. That's all. Then create. You can see, teachers, here already one class is created with name class 7 mathematics. This is the home page of our class 7 mathematics section A. There are 4 tabs in this classroom. One is stream, second is classwork, third is people, and fourth is grades. So how we will be using this stream? If you click on stream, this is the main page, and whatever we write here, like announce something, whatever we write here, it will be visible to all the students of this class. Welcome to this Google Classroom. If I write like this, then you can see here down one post button is there. So click on post. So this is a message which will be visible to all the students of this class. Next, if we want to add, or if you want to send any uh, uh, link, or else any important suppose YouTube file or any important document or any PDF form or any link, here itself we can use it. Suppose we want to send one YouTube link, so we can write like, suppose I have made this angles. Okay, let me add one link to this classroom. Right, choose any of the link, directly click on add. Automatically it will be added to my class. Now video of triangle is sent. Unless and until you write here and announce something to class, the post button will not be appear. So click on post. Now automatically this link will be posted in the stream. Now this is how, if you have some important message to be uh, given to students, directly we can write here in this stream. Next, if we want to use our classwork, so how it will work? So click on classwork, click on create. Here we have many options. Okay. In this classwork tab, we can create various topics and we can add all the YouTube links or Google Drive links along with the materials or like classwork, homework, and any assignment if you want to give for that class. Everything can be done from this classwork. So first of all, we will add topics. Suppose we are you taking some topic like suppose teaser, first topic, then add it there. Here we can add as many topics we want. So let me just add one more topic. Chapter 5, lines and angles. Then add it. Now if I want to create some video links or I want to post all the classwork and homework of any specific chapter, I can choose it. Okay, so let us first create material for integers. Here you can write the title as integer, then classwork note has been posted. You can give certain information. Chapter 1, integers, classwork video link, and classwork is posted here. So we can write it like this, and we can add all the video links related to this chapter using this. So first of all, you can add the link. Okay, then paste it here. So this is added. Now if you want to add the classwork and homework of this related chapter, that also you can browse and we can just add it here. Okay, then you can just post it. Whatever material needed for this, we can add it. So if you want to add any assignment also, that also you can use the form link, Google form link, and you can add it here. Next is whether we want to post this links to all the students or any specific class. Here also we can choose. Now choose the topic to which this post is related. Suppose this is related to integers, so choose the topic name as integers. So under integers category only everything will be posted. So now click on post. Now if you want to post it now, you can choose it now, or if you want to schedule it for later post, that also we can do. So now click on post. So automatically all the video link, PDF, everything has been posted under topic integers. Now suppose we want to give one assignment to the students. So click on create. Now click on assignment. Here you can write the title as home assignment. Okay, or else if you want any class test also, you can write it like this, class test. Fine, anything comfortable for you. So after that, complete this test. Okay, by tomorrow or any other further information also you can write. Next, after that, what we have to do, you have to create, or if you want to add any Google form link, that also you can add it. So click on link, any Google form link or any test is there, that also can be given to the student. So let me just take a copy a link, Google form link. So let me copy it first, then Control C. Let's see what happens here. Now Control V. Now add link. Okay, so automatically this link is posted here, and this will be an home assignment. Here what we can do is you can have points, or you can give points for this test. Then if you want to change it also, you can change it. Now after this, you can assign the due date of submission. Suppose the due date of submission is tomorrow, or so any date you can choose according to your requirement. Suppose choose it like this. Even timing also, it's optional. You can assign specific time for that. Now after this, you can choose this. Suppose this is a test of integers, so I can just choose integers. Then click on assign. When I assign it, it will be assigned to all the student, or if you want to conduct a test for all the classes, you can write here all the students, or if there are more than one classes, so here itself that option will also show. As I have created only one class, so it is not showing. If you create more than one class, automatically it will be displayed here, so you can choose. Now click on assign. Now you can see this home assignment has been scheduled. Okay, so click on home assignment, everything will be visible here. You can see here we have assigned, so it is not attended by the student, so it is showing turn in. So once the student attempt this test, they will get an option to turn in. When they turn in, it will be visible to us that the student has attempted this test. So this can be done here. Next, some other important thing I will discuss here, teachers. So click on the class 7 here. Let us go to this page first. Okay, here we will create some control. So click on this settings. Here when you go down, you can see many things are here. If we want to change or reset the class code, you can click here and reset it. If you don't want anyone to access this class, you can turn off. Next, one important thing is the stream will be public for all. So what we can do, you can just control it here. Student can post and comment, or students can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. So better we will choose only teachers can post or comment. Next, classwork on the stream, you can just show it. If you want to show condensed notification, or you want to hide the notification, everything will be visible here. So show condensed notification will make it little bit more organized. Okay, so we can choose this. Now this is what we can do. Now save it. Now this is what we can do. You can see, as we have given one assignment, you can see already upcoming news is also visible here. So one assignment is pending, so students will also be able to see that one assignment has been given and we have to complete that assignment. So how does it looks in students classroom view? I'll just click here. This is the classroom view of student I have added. So let me just show you. Now click on this. You can see all the assignments has been allotted to the student, and all the videos, everything, it is posted here. If the student clicks here, everything is visible here in form of integers. Now teachers, you can see everything they have here. So classes, if they click on classes, everything is visible to the students. So this is how we can use Google Classroom. Hope you all understood how to use it. Still, if any doubt, you can contact me, and slowly we will be progressing how to use it more efficiently. Thank you, teachers. Thanks a lot.